Umentri katana ka koit ka khia uba Alexander L. Heck haka arkulai tarik mentau benai jelio ar hajar arkuwei ula her jure beka jingshnai ka State of Art Diagnostic Center ka badan ha pasture lau mali Shillong knang ban penting kena baka jingshnai ka niga jaka ai jingsmari ki pai pa nong shong shnong ka dei ban dep no la kumno hapa unus ne mar hajar arkuwei shwa baka jela Meghalaya kan jam show maumer ban rakhe ka jingdap san post nem kinti haka jingyo ka jela Bapura ka ban salong ha usnem ar hajar arpo ar haka jing ekrem kilab thai khubor uba AL Heck ule yithu baka jingshnai ka nika State of Art Diagnostic Center kalong ban pinsok bat ban pin mentoi ki nong pang ki badon kam ban late test na ka banta ki jat jing pang bapher
for a major project of our government, of our state government. The major project is like this. So now we have like state assembly, that is also a major project. We have other project of other department, but I will not talk for the other department. I'm talking only the major project of the health department today, and also the art and culture, like SIGPAC. SIGPAC, that Shillong Arts of Performance Arts, that also we are going to complete to celebrate the statehood of Golden Jubilee celebration of our statehood. So today we went for the inspection of the State of Art Diagnostic Center there at Pasteur Institute. The work almost has been completed to almost for 80%, and we are ready now also to function, but we are not going to function now because of the COVID situation. But we have already installed many machines like the biochemistry, immunochemistry, hematology, and clinical pathology has been installed in that state of art diagnostic center. That is the contribution from the Suraksha Salvia Global Salvia. That is we are a partner of the government, the outsourcing partner of the government. So this is already installed by the Salvia Global Suraksha company for all this machine, and are ready now also. In a week time also, we can be ready for 700 kind of testing can be done now. But we are not going to start immediately, but soon. That also is a part of the Golden Jubilee celebration, because this is the one of the major project of the state government. We got from the NESIT, that is for the equipment and all 20 crores. That is the tender has been called. Then we have spent almost about 4 crores for the construction. That is the investment of the state government. Then the rest, also the partner also have invested, which I have already mentioned, I've already told you about the machineries which is already installed.